Today we'll be learning how to multiply with more base method. As all of us are aware of, in Vedic maths, base method is widely used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We will try to learn how to multiply with more base method with some examples. The first example, it says 23 into 29. 23 into 29. So let's keep 23 is the multiplicand and 29 is the multiplier. So base, Puraka, base and Puraka. So for base, for both of them, it is 20. So the given numbers are more than the given base. That's why it's called as more base method. Coming to the Puraka, the base is 20, the number is 23. What's the difference between both? It is 3. Here, the base is 20, the given number is 29. What's the difference? It's 9. Hence, the Puraka is 9. So much I think should be clear to everyone. Now, how do we get the LHS? So, answer will be getting in two parts for this. LHS and RHS. Now, what is LHS? How do we get the left hand side of the answer? For which, I am going to take 23, that's a given multiplicand. Okay. Add it with the Puraka of the multiplier. So, that is nothing but 23 plus 9, or I will take the multiplier 29 plus the Puraka of the multiplicand 3. In both the cases, however I do, my answer is going to be 32. Okay. Once I get this number 32, I am going to multiply it with the base. 20 is the base. When I multiply, I arrive at an answer called as 640. So my LHS will become 640. Now how to get my RHS or the right hand side of the answer? I'll be multiplying both the Purakas. Here the Puraka is 3, here the Puraka is 9. So 3 into 9, it's 27. I get my answer. Now it's very simple. Add the left hand side of the answer and the right hand side of the answer. That is, add LHS and RHS. I arrive at my answer called as 667. Therefore, 23 into 29 is nothing but 667. Okay. Let's try to understand with yet another example. 45 into 43. Okay. Here the base is 40. The Puraka is plus 5 for 45 and plus 3 for 43. Okay. Now to get the LHS, 45 plus 3. So 45 Puraka of this, which is nothing but 3. So 45 plus 3 is nothing but 48. 48 into 40, I'll arrive at an answer called as 1920. That is 1920. Now for the RHS, I'm going to multiply both the complements of the Purakas. So 5 into 3 is nothing but 15. So I get my LHS, I get my RHS. I'm going to add both of them. I derive at my answer 1935. Therefore, 45 into 43 is nothing but 1935. We will look at one more example. It is the number is in hundreds. Okay. So 366 into 318. Here the given base is 300. So what's the Puraka of 366? It is 66. For 318, it is 18. Okay. Now how do we get the LHS? As all of us know, 366 plus 18 is okay. It will be nothing but 384 into 300. Okay. I'll get my answer as 1,15,200. Now how do we get my RHS? 66 into 18. 66 into 18. I get 1,188. When I add both this number, my final answer is going to be 1,16,388. Therefore, when I multiply 366 into 318, I arrive at an answer 1,16,388. I hope this method is clear for one and all. Thanks for watching our video.